The old Champion Mill site on the north end of Darby has been largely unused for more than a decade, waiting for hazardous materials to be cleaned up before it can be repurposed for the future. This year the cleanup is closer than it has ever been, as international paper and state agencies have been discussing the next steps. Darby Mayor Rick Shealy says the town has been watching that process closely, anxious to see the vacant land put back to productive use. And the latest word is that the cleanup could finally start next year.
Well, they're talking that they're hoping that maybe the assessment from DEQ will be done by the first of the year, which is will be 2013. And if they once they acquire the property and get the title clear, they're going to come in and want to start cleaning up some of the old buildings that are in there. So hopefully that'll put some people to work here in Darby.
The Department of Environmental Quality will analyze the land, mapping out areas to be cleaned up and exactly what has to be done in each area. If the 40 acres were to be used for residences, the cleanup would have to be more extensive and expensive. Shealy believes light industrial use with a more basic cleanup is the town's best hope. Because the South Valley's economy is still struggling, the mayor says whatever use ends up on the international paper site, it has to be something that doesn't cost the town a lot of money.
The biggest concern that Darby has would be that we put something in there that's going to generate some revenue for the town to be able to maintain that property.
Shealy expects the next 6 months will help solve a lot of outstanding questions about the site, so the town can start making its own long-range plans and planning for the millions of dollars the cleanup will pump into the economy. In Darby, Dennis Bragg reporting for Montana's news station.